Mr. Congo, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can.
First, I'm required to advise you of your various rights in this matter. You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have an attorney appointed to represent you if you cannot afford an attorney. You have the right to a public and speedy trial by jury, and you have the right against self-incrimination. That means you could not be forced to make any statement or testify against yourself in any hearing or trial held in this matter. You understand those rights as I've just gone through them.
Yeah, yes, sir.
And you've been charged here with one count, resisting law enforcement, causing moderate bodily injury, a level 5 felony. This cause recites that on or about December 12th, 2025, here in Porter County, you did knowingly or intentionally resist, obstruct, or interfere with law enforcement while the officer was lawfully engaged in the execution of their duties, and in so doing, inflicted moderate bodily injury or otherwise caused moderate bodily injury to another person contrary to statute. Do you understand the allegations in count one?
No, I don't understand. I think I just want to file for a fast and speedy trial because I'm tired of this nonsense or this don't even make sense. I'm tired of coming here for no reason. I'm tired of coming here for no reason, wasting my time. People just want me here for their certain reasons. I'm tired of coming here for no reasons.
Okay.
Bringing up my bringing up my battery charges when you got WWE wrestlers in here. You got WWE wrestlers in here.
You keep talking over me, Mr. Conger, and the Constitution says I should give you further advisement about your situation. You keep talking over me, and it's just not getting anything done. What happened was a few minutes ago, you said you don't understand the charges. So what I need to know from you is whether that means you don't understand the words I used or you don't understand what they mean.
I comprehend you. I'm not like play it up. I comprehend. I'm not retired.
You said you don't understand the charges. So do you understand what they allege you did, or do you not understand what they allege you did?
Saying I didn't do it.
You're saying you didn't do it, Mr. Conger. In a few moments, if you will get through this part of it now, I would enter a preliminary plea of not guilty for you because I'm required to do that by statute. So as you sit there, you're an innocent man. That's what our Constitution says, and I'm happy to allow you to be that way because the statute says that I'm supposed to do that. But before I can get to that, I need to find out whether or not you understand what they say you did. If you understand what they say you did, please acknowledge that you do.
I comprehend, but I didn't touch no officer.
I understand you deny it, and as you sit there, you are innocent because you're a citizen of these United States. So I will accept what you mentioned, that you understand what they allege against you. I will enter a preliminary plea of not guilty for you on count one, as statute requires me to do. Okay?
Allowing for fast and speedy.
Okay. Now, Mr. Conger, that's another thing that you and I need to discuss because you're putting the cart before the horse. First of all, I don't accept an oral motion for a fast and speedy trial. If you want to make a fast and speedy request, you need to do it in writing. But before we do that, let me find out whether you plan to hire an attorney or probably you're going to try to represent yourself in this case. Because if you're going to hire an attorney or have an attorney appointed for you, that attorney has to bring that fast and speedy request for you. You understand all that?
I still have money for an attorney if I'm on TV. If I'm on TV, I still have money for an attorney or something. You got me with WWE wrestlers. I just want my money and I need out of here. I'm tired of the bullshit, man. Wasting my time.
I understand, Mr. Conger. We've established that you're
sabotage my life. Sabotage my life.
We've established that you are not stupid, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've also established that you're very angry right now, aren't you?
Yeah.
You got a lot going on. You're very upset. I can sense that. I feel that. And I'm all the way over here in the courthouse. Okay. So what's important for me to know now from you is whether you plan to hire counsel or whether you want me to determine whether you qualify for the assistance of the public defender.
Well, I'd like to stick with Amy Schultz for right now, I guess.
You're going to represent yourself, you say?
No, I like to stick with Amy Schultz, I guess, for right now.
I don't even know who that is. Who's Amy Schultz?
She was my attorney last court date.
Amy Schultz is a public defender.
Yeah.
She doesn't work in this court. I'm not sure how I got this case.
Really?
He's in jail for something else?
Yes, Judge, he is.
Okay. So whose case is that?
That is, that's in Judge Drent's court. It's a felony invasion of privacy and intimidation. There's a $1,500 cash bond set in that case for now.
So all that's coming to me.
That I don't know, Judge. That's possible. I know that our office will be filing a motion to revoke his bond in that case.
Sure.
It is set for January 6th, 2026.
Okay. My assumption is based upon our local rule, that case would come to me, given that it's a level 5 now alleged in this case, and he has a level 6. Is that attorney working out in Judge Drent's court then? I just haven't met her yet.
Yeah, she works in Judge Drent's court. She works in Judge Buckley's court too.
Okay. Well, shame on me for not making an effort to meet our new public defender.
Put it this way.
In any case, Mr. Conger, I think all those cases are going to come here to this court. I don't work with that attorney, but if you'd like for me to determine whether you qualify for the public defender service, I'm happy to do so. Is that what you want me to do?
I like to stick with Amy Schultz for right now, but
Hey, Mr. Conger,
I'm expecting my money.
Unless I qualify
my money soon.
Isn't that right, Mr. Conger? I would have to actually ask you the questions and find out whether you qualify for the public defender service. So if you want me to do that, please raise your hand to be sworn.
I'm really expecting my money soon. Or either two things about to happen. I'm going to talk
Hey,
to
Mr. Conger, do you want me to see whether you qualify for the public defender service or not?
I'm going to talk to the
You need to
U.S.
raise your
attorney.
hand to be sworn.
And I'm going to hire a lawyer and file a lawsuit because you got me fucked up. And there's plenty of you could have done this
Hey,
shit to.
Mr. Conger, I'd sure like to
Plenty
finish
of
off
fucking
this.
retards you could have done this shit to.
You could
but you told me to do it.
get with the program, Mr. Conger. Do you want me to see whether you qualify for the public defender? If so, raise your right hand to be sworn.
Yeah, I guess.
Do you swear or affirm under penalty of perjury to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth? Leave your hand up there. Do you swear or affirm under penalty of perjury to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. What do you do for a living, man?
I was working at factories.
When's the last time you worked?
I don't know.
When would it have been if you did remember?
Like 2023.
Okay. Do you have any money set aside from when you were working?
No,
Nothing saved up?
no.
How you been making ends meet since then?
Because you guys control that. I don't want to hear this.
How have you been making ends meet since then?
You guys wouldn't let me. You guys wouldn't let me.
Conger, you can work all you want. I could care less if you work. I'd be happy if you worked.
I'm not trying to work right now. You got me fucked up, man. I'm not allowed to have white abilities. There's plenty of other you could have done this shit to. You told me though. There's plenty of you could have done this shit to. You told me though. Get the fuck out of here with that bullshit, man.
Conger, do you have any money set aside? Do you own any property? Do you own any real estate?
No,
Do you own a car?
no. I'm about to have my.
Money? Does anybody owe you
I'm
money?
about to have my mom's house and all her shit. I don't get all my fucking money. I know that.
What kind
I'm
of
about to
money?
have my mom's house. I'm about to take all my mom's shit, everybody's shit. I'm about to take all my mom's shit, everybody's shit. I don't get my fucking money.
What kind of money are you supposed to get, Conger?
Oh, boy, you got me on TV and you sabotage my fucking life. So you got
You
me
told me
fucked
you're going
up.
to get money. Who owes you money? Where are you going to get money from?
You're gonna bring up battery charges when I'm in here with WWE wrestling. And I'm
Also,
retired.
It's some future money that you plan to get after you sue the government.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
I don't care. I'm getting my shit one way or another.
I'm just trying to figure out if anybody owes you money right now. Do they or don't they?
Yeah, they owe me money. Yeah.
Who does?
I didn't agree to this shit. It would have been different, but it would have been different if I was entitled like everybody else. Like I said, there's plenty of other you could have did this shit to.
I do think
Plenty
you're
of other could have did this
I
shit.
think you're indigent. You qualify for
told
the
me
service of
so.
the public defender. I'll appoint the Porter County Public Defender Service to represent you. Today, Mr. Nat Henson's here from that office to help me make some determinations about your release from jail and any conditions related to that release. I don't even know if we got a report on him.
We don't, Your Honor. And my recommendation at this point is to withhold arguments on bond. The reason being that he's being held on another case. That case is set for jury trial. I think the public defender that is involved in this case needs to get everything, his arms wrapped around everything and figure out what's going on.
About to have my mom's house, leave her homeless. I'm about to leave my mom homeless, all that shit. Got me fucked up.
I set bond at $5,000 cash when this charge was filed. Any argument, State?
I recommend that you keep the bond the same, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'll maintain the $5,000 cash only bond. Mr. Conger, I'm going to set you for a couple of hearings. The first hearing will be on February the 23rd at 9. You're ordered to appear. Second hearing will be on March 23rd at 9. You're ordered to appear. In the meantime, you should contact Mr. Clay Patton, who will be your attorney in this court, unless the Public Defender Service finds it necessary to get Ms. Schultz involved in your case here, which I would accept if they decide to do that. You say it's set for trial already out in Judge Drent's court?
I saw a March, I believe, trial date. I can double check.
It was just filed. It's a 25-12 case. Okay. Is that his practice out there to set juries at initial? All right, Mr. Conger, we'll see you back here on February 23rd, 9 a.m., March 23rd at 9 a.m. Paul Clay Patton, he's your lawyer here until I hear different, okay?
How about you just release me? How about
I don't release you?
As this hearing comes to a close, we've seen a defendant who repeatedly insisted he wanted a fast and speedy trial, denied the allegations against him, and frequently interrupted the proceedings instead of directly answering the judge's questions. The court carefully explained Mr. Conger's constitutional rights, the felony charge of resisting law enforcement causing moderate bodily injury, and the importance of determining whether he understood the allegations before moving forward. While the prosecution requested that his previously set bond remain in place due to another pending criminal case, the judge remained focused on ensuring the defendant received due process, appointing a public defender after determining he qualified for one, and scheduling future hearings to keep the case moving forward. One of the most important moments in this hearing was the judge's repeated effort to separate the defendant's denial of the charge from his understanding of the accusation. The court made clear that entering a not guilty plea was required at this stage and emphasized that Mr. Conger remained presumed innocent while the legal process continued. Rather than accepting emotional outbursts or unrelated complaints as legal arguments, the judge consistently redirected the conversation back to the procedural issues that had to be resolved before the case could proceed. What do you think? Did the judge handle this difficult hearing appropriately? Or would you have approached the situation differently? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this courtroom showdown interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns, and share this video with someone who enjoys legal drama. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.